Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beauty by Maria. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Boxy Charm, and I got this a couple weeks ago, but I decided to go ahead and unbox this for you guys. I actually got the Boxy Luxe, I believe, which is an additional $34. If that's not correct, I'm going to go ahead and update that in the description box below. But I got the Fenty Beauty collection in here. I'm going to go ahead and link up my first impressions of the eye palette, if it's either here or on this side. Not sure on which side it's going to be on. Anyways, without further ado, here it goes. So I'm going to go ahead, and I already took it out of the packaging to make it a lot easier to show you. So this one first is the Trophy Wife with, it's actually one of the top sellers for Fenty Beauty. This actually is a little dark for my skin tone. I'm probably going to give this to my sister, but it is so pretty. You can see I already swatched it, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's glistening gold, and you just swatch it and look at that just yummy goodness that's there. It is stunning. Now, I could probably use this as a highlighter on my eyelids. You know, probably use it as an eyeshadow, but again, this is just really pretty. She knocked it out of the park with this formula. It's absolutely stunning. And this retails for let's see, Gloss Bomb, where is it? Oh, $36. Whew. That's a little steep, but $36. All right, the next thing is the Matchstick. This is the color Unicorn. Again, is this the color for my skin tone? Probably not, but I could probably use this as eyeshadow base, a lilac base. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys here. And this is what it looks like on the screen. So pretty. I mean, it's just really, really pretty. It's just not... you can use it as an eyeshadow base like I was saying, but not for highlighting on my cheeks or so. So this actually retails for $25. All right, so that's that. And then we have, these are basically papers to blot dry if you have oily skin. I do not. I'm very blessed with that. But here is this. It comes like a little, you can purchase the refills, and they're $18. I'm sorry, $16. Blotting papers. Love the packaging too. Very, very creative. All right, and then the next thing is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. Really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys. I really do like the dough applicator on this. It is nice and thick, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and put this down here so you can see it. Nice and glistening. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lips. Oh yeah. It has like a... It's not sticky at all. It smells like bubble gum. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. But it gives you like this iridescent color on. Oh, really, really pretty. It's not sticky. It's not like gummy or anything like that. Highly recommend this. So this actually retails for $19. It's actually not a bad amount for the amount of quantity that you're getting here. And then there is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. I'm currently not wearing this color. It seems a little dark for my complexion, but you could probably use this as a blush, or probably not a blush, but for eyeshadow as a base. And I could totally show you that if you're on a business trip and you forgot your blush or your eyeshadow. This is a great way to see how it blends. So you can actually use this on the base. Really, really pretty. All right, so this actually retails for, again, $18. this little thing. All right, and last but not least, here is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. 16 shades. This actually retails for $29. Has a neutral palette. It says that it's pigmented. It does look like it's pigmented on the actual display here. But when you apply it, it actually does kind of give you like a little bit more sheer. There is some kickback on when you are applying it for your shadows, as you can see here that I did in my tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and link that up for you guys again. But these colors are so pretty. Would I pay $29 for this palette? Probably not, and the only reason why is because I already have similar colors in my palette collections. But this is a great palette for you, especially if you're a novice and you're trying to makeup just for fun and you're a huge supporter of Rihanna. Definitely would recommend this. If not, then you know I would definitely pass on this. The other great thing is it has like a nice mirror, so you don't have to have a handheld mirror like I have here when you're applying your makeup. It's really great. It's thin enough that you can go ahead and travel with it. I like the plastic. And also one more thing, if you're a clean freak, neat freak, you will have smudges on here, but that's totally easy. You can totally wipe this off. So if you're a huge supporter of Rihanna, definitely purchase this. If you're not, then you know, it's totally pass. But it's really, really pretty colors in here. So that is basically the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna BoxyCharm review. If you guys have any more questions or requests, or if you'd like to see more tutorials on any of this, please comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback on it, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. See you guys later. Bye.